Welcome to the first ever installment of Logopolis Comics. Today for you, Max's Mathtastic Adventure. Welcome to Logopolis, the greatest city in the United States of Log. This is Max. Say hi, Max. Max is a sanitation worker for the city of Logopolis, but what nobody knows is that he's a superhero by night. He uses his awesome mathematical brain power to solve all the city's problems, here we call them equations, and keeps the city safe. Look, Max is working on a water tank right now. Oh no! But what is this? Logzilla, king of all the logarithms, has come to Logopolis to wreak havoc to the city. Max is the city's only hope. He must use his superpowers in order to save the day. Look, Logzilla is ready for a fight. And he even brought his whole legion of mean logarithms to help him defeat Max. We have log base 2 of 2, log base 18 of x, and even a whole equation, log base 4 of x minus log base 4 of x minus 1 is equal to 1/2. Can Max do it? Can he save the day? Max knows he needs to work quickly, so he starts off with the easiest problems first. He looks up at log base 2 of 2. Now, Max knows his logarithmic properties really well, so he understands that this expression simplifies itself to 1. Look at that logarithm go! Now, Max moves on to log base 18 of x is equal to 2. He understands that this equation is asking him to solve for x, and that x is equal to the number that 18 raised to the 2 is equal to. With some mental math, Max works it out to be 324. Look at that logarithm disappear.
Max saved the hardest problem for last. He was attacked by the problem log base 4x minus log base 4x minus 1 equals 1/2. Now, because he knew the rules of logarithms, he knew that he could take log base 4 of x over x minus 1 to equal 1/2 because they share the same base of 4.
Now, because Max also knew that a number raised to the log of that same numbered base cancels itself out, he took 4 and made that be raised to both sides of the equation, as seen here. Now he knew that this canceled out to x over x minus 1 is equal to 2. And thus, with a few algebraic moves in his head, and with the power of isolating x's, he came out to the answer that x is equal to 2. Max did it! He defeated Logzilla! Max did it! He saved the city. Logzilla was gone for good. Reporter came up to him and asked him, Max, how did you know what you needed to do? And Max replied, I just paid attention in math class. I'm so glad for everything I learned.